Hi, I'm Roger here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with Guaranty. Today we're looking at a 2017 4 Winds 30C. This is I like to call the family truckster. You'll see why here in just a moment. We got a great coach here. We've got the push button awning. We've got the Ford chassis. This is going to have that 6-speed transmission with the Ford Triton V10. This is a 2 slide out coach, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Gives you a nice balanced drive. There's a lot of storage throughout this coach. There are some smaller storage pods. On the far side, this is where the big storage happens. Okay, you could literally put a couple of bikes in there or put them on the back. All of our windows are UV protected with the tint on them, so they're going to kind of help keep that solar radiation off of your materials. We've got the water heater and the furnace. I like how they've got them mounted away from the bedroom, so while you're sleeping you don't have to hear them come on and off in the night. Some people get kind of sensitive about that. Up front we've got the Onan 4,000 watt generator. Our tailpipe is as far away from the bedroom as we can get. That's going to help keep it quiet at night. If you are running the generator at night, you're dry camping someplace and you want to have that AC going because it's really hot, because you know, hey, it's the first day of summer. Let's go inside and take a look at the amenities. That's where this coach really shines. So here in our living area, we've got our front bed. They've got storage on each end of the bed, helps extend the mattress and give a great place to put the, you know, the little extra stuff that the younger folks are going to be traveling with, iPods and stuff like that. The sofa is directly across from the booth dinette. This is what we call the conversation area. It's easy to have a bunch of people in here and have a rousing game of cribbage or Monopoly or some other family killing game that we always like to play and cause the fights. Somebody who's never happy about losing. Good sized kitchen here. We've got a good area here for our prep. We've got a flip up countertop extension, 3 burner stove, the bigger oven. We also have the microwave here, so we can get a whole lot of cook on. Create those great camping dinners that we all remember as kids. We've got a good sized refrigerator freezer. Here's the Norcold, which is the fully adjustable. Good sized refrigerator freezer. And then it just gets better. Here we've got our bunks. I like how these are set up. Got lights in here. Each one has a window. They've got a little bit of a room here to be comfortable while they're sleeping at night. Comfortable kids, happy families, less grouchy. Good sized bathroom with a vent. Here in the bedroom, we've got a queen size bed. We've got a little bit of storage on each side of the bed, some storage above the bed, but over on this side, a good sized closet. We've got a large bank of drawers here. This is also set up for storage. All of our outlets are here in the little cabinet. You can drill a hole through this, right through here, mount a TV on this, keep your storage, and have entertainment in the bedroom. It's all set up for that. We have a privacy door that latches open and closed for the bedroom. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 4 Winds 2017 30C.